And welcome to Boondocking.
On BLM land, where there's cows.
Yes.
Those cows did not like it when that guy drove his truck back to his trailer.
This has happened to us before. We get surrounded by cows.
And they yell at us, or they moo at us. There's a guy in a Camry too, and he parked over here, and then the cows bugged him so much he went over to the other side. This parking lot campground area is getting kind of full though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of us so far.
Wow. It's a busy spot.
Like 5:15. And a lot of cows.
By the way, if you haven't done what that pillow says, do it. Do it right now. Just punch the button. Just smash it. Just smash that button. It's red too, so yeah. You know, I'm starting to think with all the wind out there, maybe today is a good day to be underground. And that's what we're doing. Carlsbad Caverns today. We've never been there, so you'll see it just like us for the first time. Well, you may have been there, I don't know. We haven't. It'll be first time for us.
Nice RV parking here. In case we wanted to actually just do it as a stopover. Not to camp.
The geologic story of Carlsbad Cavern began 265 million years ago with the creation of a 400-mile-long horseshoe-shaped reef. So this whole area was a inland sea. And the reef was built up of sponges and algae, and it just kept like building up on itself over and over into the limestone. And then we had some tectonic uplift several million years later, and it created the Guadalupe Mountains, which is around here.
So you buy your tickets in the visitor center. It's $5 a piece if you want to guide yourself.
No, but
right?
we didn't have to pay anything because we had the National Parks Pass.
Oh, it was free with the National Parks Pass. Woot!
Yeah. And we're going to do the natural entrance down, which is descending 75 stories through some switchbacks. And then you get to see some caves on the way. And then once you get down there, will be where everyone else is who takes the elevator down, see the Grand Hall, I think it's called, and then take the elevator back up so we don't have to walk up 75 flights. I'm actually really excited about this. This has been on my list of must-sees for a long time, so I'm so excited. So this is the bat viewing amphitheater. During the spring and fall, the bats live in the cave, and every night at sunset they come swarming out of the natural entrance, and you can sit here and watch them.
Wouldn't that be really cool to see?
I think it would be amazing.
From right behind us.
Yeah.
And they just come out this way, you're sitting behind. You can't do video and photography, but it would still be cool to see.
Yeah.
Now it's raining.
Yes, we have to go inside, and from
We should
that,
probably be inside.
well, from here on out we have to whisper because being in the cave everything echoes, so we'll be whispering. We have some switchbacks ahead of us. It is dark down here, but they do have lights along the path. This is magnificent. This is amazing. It's amazing how the rock looks different all over. They call it all different things: fins, fans, stalagmites, stalactites, pearls. 250 million years ago, marine plants and animals built a limestone reef along the edge of an inland sea. 60 million years ago, hydrogen sulfide gas and water formed sulfuric acid, which dissolved cavities within the limestone. 3 million years ago, as more limestone dissolved, cavities enlarged. Water slowly drained from the cavern and roof sections collapsed. Recently, which is in the last 500,000 years, stalactites, stalagmites, and other cave decorations formed as limestone-laden groundwater dripped into the air-filled caverns. We made it down to where the elevators get down. What do you think? Worth doing the natural entrance?
Absolutely. Though it's deceiving. It's cool, but there's no airflow, so you sweat. So it's still a little bit of a workout.
Yeah,
even though it's about 50, 55
yeah, I think they said
all
that.
Year round.
Big Room is the largest known natural limestone chamber in the Western Hemisphere. 14 football fields large. This is a place where you can kind of see just how massive this cavern is. And it's just magnificent any way you look. Water fountains, rest area,
And a snack bar.
snack bar. Way below the surface of the earth. Kind of hilarious. They also have restrooms. Right there. This room looks like it could be anywhere. Just looks like a hotel lobby.
It counts the feet.
It counts the feet. Oh look, 200 feet down. 225.
Courtney's throwing some recycling away, but I think I could speak for both of us when I say that was one of the coolest things that we have done since we left for this lifetime of travel around the US. And experiences like this are why we do this, why we quit our jobs and took the risk of really not having a consistent income again to travel the country. It's situations like this. I may have told our beautiful audience that this was one of the coolest things that we've done.
I am so happy. Yeah, this ranks up. This may be the top thing I've ever seen. This was amazing. As you guys know, I love caves. And one of the top things I liked about our first year was the Lewis and Clark Caverns, which just blew me away. And then this
was way more open.
Yeah.
Lewis and Clark had like colored lights to make it a little bit more dramatic. This had mainly the warm yellow lights and orange lights, but it was phenomenal. Nature is just insane. Just
amazing. I highly, highly recommend it. Any tips? Make sure that you wear good shoes with nice solid grips. There are handicap accessible areas with the elevators, but some of the areas are not handicap accessible. Like we said, I recommend doing the natural entrance if you can.
It's about 50-55 in there all year round. But if you go down the natural entrance, you actually will start to sweat a little bit because it's kind of a hike. But once you're down in the big area, you're fine.
Yeah. And then Steve had a recommendation photo-wise.
Turn your flash off on your cameras. That completely ruins the shot. Those photos with a nice warm light that just gently blankets the things that you're seeing in the cave, that all gets destroyed with that artificial flash.
Yeah, it kind of just, everything looks white.
Yes, I understand that you might get blurry shots, but that just means you have to stand a little bit more still or find a place to support your camera, like on the railing or something. Not the rocks, the railing. But yeah, turn that flash off. You'll get much better photos.
So that's it here at Carlsbad Caverns.
We're going back to the wind.
Yeah, back to the Airstream, hang out for the rest of the day, and then maybe doing a hike tomorrow. We'll see. We'll take you along. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did, guys. I'm sure the video just doesn't even compare. So you have to come yourselves. Bye.
Free with a National Parks Pass.